Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In addition of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 27th, 2024, we have here two puzzles solved. The 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 9801. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is a lot, 17 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, let's get started. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, and between the O's comes in 1. Double checked, 4 ones. In 2 minutes, we solve it again. Without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.